Alright, today I'll be talking about how to increase your viewport speed and cycles. So it's very important. I'm already in cycles. And my feature is set to supported GPU. Then my noise threshold, I leave it the same. The max sample, I reduce it to 16. Then for the denoise, you could use, you could activate it. You could not. I didn't actually use that. So let's move on. For the render setting, the noise threshold still remain the same, but the max sample, I reduce it to 32. So I had to work with that because of most of the time my system lags. So for the noise under the render setting, I just clicked it, but you could select if you want. I didn't use that. The light setting, the light tree, don't mess with it, just leave it the way it is default. Then for the advanced, I didn't touch that. For the light part, the total, I reduced the total to 4. The diffuse was 4, glossy 4. Then transmission, I reduced it to 12. Then for volume, if you're working on clouds, you can actually use the same value or you still use 8. It depends on how you want to. You could use the same value or use 2 for volume, but I didn't show that in this video, but I'm just telling you, when you're working like maybe with a cloud scene, you could use that. Alright, so for clamping, I didn't do anything there. Then for the acoustic, I selected the refractive and the reflective. So let's move on. I clicked on simplify. The max subdivision, I reduced it to 1. Then for the texture limit, I had to reduce it to 512. Very important, please take note of this. The render, I reduced it also to 512. Then going down to the pixel type, I changed it to Gaussian. Very important, I changed it to Gaussian. It actually helps a lot. Then for the max width, I actually changed it to 1. So your default may be 1 point something, but I changed mine to 1. Then I'm not using any compositor, but in case you are using that, you can change that. Use it on GPU. Then for the memory tiling, I had to change it to 256. Sorry, 256. Then the final render. We are not doing rendering here. We are just talking about the viewport speed. So, but the pixel size, please, it's very important that you change it to something like 4 or 8. It helps to speed up the viewports in the cycles. Very important. So please take note of all the settings. Very important. So until I come your way the next time, I will give you because I'm working with geometry nodes, so that is why I'm actually doing this video, because I've noticed that my viewport in the render setting, I have a GPU of 2 GB, is still lagging. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please leave a comment. I would love to, if you have any suggestion on how to increase the viewport speed in cycles. And remember, I said I have a dedicated graphic card of 2 GB. So if you have any other idea of how we can increase the viewport speed in render, please leave your comments below and you'll be helping someone out. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video.